Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with a clear photo and focus on visible clues, logos, landmarks, or unique clothing help. Open Google Images in your browser and drag the picture to reverse search it, and at the same time, open Instagram's search bar to try usernames or visible text. Once done, check image results for matching profile pictures or reposts. Make sure to copy any found usernames into a Notes app so you don't lose them as you proceed. You now expand the search. Run the image through Bing, Yandex, and TinEye because different engines index different sites. Once you have results, scan for Instagram or Facebook pages and inspect any reposts. Make sure to open profiles and look at profile pictures and captions. If the photo has visible location cues, search that place's hashtags and geotags on Instagram. And if you can, view the image metadata. Sometimes timestamps or device info give leads. You finish by verifying any candidate profile. Compare multiple photos, mutual followers, and timeline consistency before messaging. When you reach out, introduce yourself briefly and explain how you found them. Keep the tone polite and non-confrontational. If nothing matches, retry searches with adjusted keywords and different crops of the image, and consider paid reverse search or privacy-respecting investigative tools as a last resort if problems persist. Step back to avoid misidentification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.